Hey guys, it's Zach again from Total Care Restoration. A lot of clients ask me, can water damage cause mold to my home or business? The answer is yes, absolutely. Water damage can cause mold issues in your home. But not only mold issues, it can also cause pest infestation as well as health issues such as asthma, rashes, and respiratory issues, just to name a few. So remember, a small leak can cause major mold damage in your home. That's why it is important to act fast to stop further damages from happening. Another question I get asked is, what are the benefits of direct insurance billing? The benefit of direct insurance billing is we're immediately able to start the process and our experts will guide you step by step. This way, you don't have to worry, not even for out-of-pocket expense, which is why you have insurance in the first place.